everything for our burrito bowls, the beans, salsa, a little bit of cilantro. We've got our breakfast, which is going to be and we've got our mashed potatoes with a little bit of ranch dressing, meal, which will be stuffing and turkey, stuff for trail snacks. So we'll just do some like fruit roll-up style stuff, some good wholesome energy, and gonna be fueled on the mountain. All right, check out time.
Good morning.
Good morning, good evening. I am beat, dude. I've been in this thing since 4 p.m. yesterday.
4 p.m.
All right, day one. We're finally in camp. We got one flat tire.
Across that cattle guard. Yikes.
Hauled the trailer up pretty rough road, so unloaded things. Typical hunting trip, you know? And it feels good to be here. The air's cool. It's like everything you want in an elk hunt. There's been a lot of water, good cold temperatures, so now we just need to pepper in some elk. Ooh, fancy. It's first morning of the hunt, and I'm excited to get out. It's been a year since I've been bugling and chasing elk, so first day is always gets the blood pumping, always excitement. Never know what's gonna be in store for us today. Hey, there's an elk. And there's the bull. Nice. I made spicy mandarin teriyaki blacktail jerky. That made my day. That's good. Wow. We went right, they went left. And it's the middle of the day, everything pretty much quieted down, so gonna make up some lunch. Got one of the backcountry burritos we made earlier. Eat this, fuel up, and head up the next mountain. So this morning it's pretty quiet. And so we're gonna keep looking, try to get something to sound off tonight, hoping that they start making some noise, start working back to where we'd seen some elk last night. Alright, so it was a long day chasing elk today. I'm just gonna make this, we made these venison ranch mash potatoes. It's got a little bit of ground venison, Brussels sprouts, add meat and vegetables. Ranch, Brussels sprout, mashed potatoes with some venison, a little bit of squash. Eat this, go to bed, charge after the elk tomorrow. Alright, it's day 3. Feels good this morning, clear skies. We got a big bull, pretty much put to bed, or so to say. And we're gonna head over to where we last saw him, hopefully be able to pick him back up. No bite. He was bugling. We got to the ridge. I bugled, and he bugled maybe 80 yards away on the other side. But I think he sent him the other direction. Gotta strike while they're making noise. Got one below us, one up here, one up high across. The bull we were chasing for most of the morning, he started bugling coming down the hill, so it's really thick in here. Started moving up to a position where we could get set up and call. And as we were getting set up, he'd already passed us and walked around and busted us. Ran off, heartbreaking because he was pretty close.
Sitka black. Well,
Alright, mid-morning, 10:30, right when you think it's all shut down, and we just heard our bull bugle right up here. Give it another cow call and see if he reacts. And if that's the case, we're in business. It's all due to my elk roll-up. We made a lucky elk roll-up. I just had to eat the thing. Get the power. "25 yards away. Glass. There's his antler tip laying right there." No. 7. No way. Holy cow. This is by far my biggest bull, like, without a doubt. Look at this. 7 by. No. Nothing feels better than when you release that arrow and they don't go 20 yards. Wasn't expecting this. I'd have shot a spike. It was pretty incredible. I was never expecting a bull like this. Pretty close to here, I spent many years guiding elk hunters and never had the time to hunt for myself. Like, always just during the busy time calling and guiding for other people. This, so many years later, being here with my own bow in my hand and take a bull like this, it's so crazy. It's so incredible. clear?
Clear.